Welcome to SpeakReady, a speaking practice app that helps users prepare presentations, rehearse responses, and build confidence before important conversations. The main app opens on Workshop. The top navigation includes Workshop, Analysis, Teleprompter, and Practice with a settings button for the Gemini API key. The workshop screen begins with the heading Make Every Word Land and a large text area where the user pastes a speech, script, talking points, or presentation outline. Below the speech text, the user selects the speech type, audience, target duration, and formality. Speech types include keynote presentations, wedding toasts, business pitches, motivational talks, academic presentations, job interview answers, acceptance speeches, debates, TEDx style talks, and other formats. Audience options include the general public, executives, students, technical experts, investors, and mixed groups. The target duration selector includes 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and custom. When custom is selected, a custom minutes field appears. The formality selector lets the user choose from very casual through very formal. The focus improvement section lets the user choose what they want help with. Options include opening hook, structure and flow, closing impact, pacing, vocabulary, filler words reduction, storytelling, and call to action. These choices help the analysis focus on the speaker's priorities. When the user clicks Analyze and Improve, SpeakReady checks that speech text is entered and that the Gemini API key is saved. If the speech is missing, the app asks the user to paste a speech first. If the key is missing, the key dialog opens. The user gets the key from Google AI Studio, pastes it into the Gemini API key field, and saves it. While the speech is being reviewed, the status message says the app is analyzing structure, pacing, clarity, and delivery. If the request fails, the app tells the user to check the key and connection. The analysis screen shows the coaching report. Before analysis, it says to analyze a speech first. After analysis, the top stats show word count, estimated duration, sentence count, reading level, and average words per sentence. The assessment card gives the overall coaching summary. The strength section lists what is already working well. The improvement section shows expandable coaching items, each with a category, issue, suggestion, and example. This helps the user understand not only what to improve, but how to improve it. The improved version section contains the rewritten speech. The user can copy it or compare it side by side with the original. Alternative openings and alternative closings appear as buttons, and clicking one copies it for reuse. The filler word section lists repeated or weak words if any are found. The pacing section explains how the speech flows against the target duration, and the confidence tips section gives practical delivery guidance. This turns the analysis into both a writing tool and a rehearsal coach. The teleprompter screen displays the improved speech or the original speech in large scrolling text. The top control bar includes exit, play, speed controls, font size controls, and mirror. A progress bar shows how far through the text the speaker has moved. The user can play or pause the teleprompter, slow down or speed up the scroll, make the text larger or smaller, and mirror the text for teleprompter glass setups. Keyboard shortcuts also support play, speed changes, and exit during rehearsal. The practice screen gives the user a rehearsal timer. It shows the target duration, elapsed time, start, pause, reset, and finish, and log buttons, plus a note field for how the run felt. The timer changes state as the user approaches or passes the target time. When the user finishes a run, SpeakReady logs the duration difference from the target, timestamp, and note. The recent runs list shows the latest practice sessions and whether the timing is improving compared with earlier runs. If no practice exists yet, it says there are no practice runs. SpeakReady helps speakers move from draft to confident delivery. It analyzes the speech, improves the writing, offers alternatives, provides a teleprompter, and tracks rehearsal timing so the user can prepare with more clarity and control.